In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Make.com in 2025 with this full guide. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you have a seamless experience. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. You need to head over to the Make.com registration page, which you can easily find by entering the URL into the address bar. Once you're on the Make.com homepage, look for the Sign Up option, which is usually prominently displayed to help new users get started with ease. Clicking on this will take you to the registration page where you can begin creating your new account. Now, Make.com offers several ways to register, including using your Google account, which is what we'll focus on today. It's a convenient option for many users as it eliminates the need to remember another password and speeds up the process by using existing information from your Google profile. To proceed with this method, simply click on the Google Sign-In button, which is often highlighted to catch your attention. This click will initiate the process of linking your Google account to Make.com. You will be redirected to a Google Sign-In page. If you've previously signed into your Google account on your device, you will see your email accounts listed there. All you need to do is select the account you wish to associate with your Make.com account. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email address and password. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you're managing multiple Google accounts, to avoid any confusion later on. After selecting or signing into your preferred Google account, Google will ask for your permission to connect with Make.com. This step is crucial for ensuring your privacy and security. It will specify the type of access Make.com is requesting, such as viewing your email address and basic profile information. Take a moment to review these permissions. If you're satisfied and comfortable, go ahead and click Allow to proceed. This is a secure standard procedure, allowing third-party applications to access certain data necessary for smooth operation. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, you'll be brought back to the Make.com website, where your account will now be set up and ready for use. You should see a welcome screen with details on how to get started and explore the functionalities available on the platform. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Make.com account using your Google account. To sum up, you've learned how to navigate the Make.com website, utilize the Google sign-in method, and ensure secure access permissions. This streamlined process is designed to get you up and running quickly so you can start exploring everything Make.com has to offer. Thanks for following along and happy automating!